everybody, I want to take a few minutes and talk a little bit about what a typography concept means to me and what I mean when I say that in our module and when we're looking at typography as a concept, and how you can start to identify how type is integrated into your design. So you're going to be reading in the book a lot about typography contrast and how to use type effectively and what kind of fonts feel a certain way. And that all of that stuff is really great. Really take that to heart. Really think about what fonts you're using and how they feel. Do they feel professional? Do they feel friendly? Do they feel funny? Does it convey the mood you are trying to convey in your design? What I want to touch on real quick is how type can have a concept and how a mix of type and imagery and a concept can really be effective. So I'm looking back at some of the assignments from the Elements of Art and Principles of Design assignment. And here we have some really clever ways that this student illustrated the words, right? So they're actually using value changes in the word value. They're actually using lines in the line. They are actually having shapes in the shape, okay? So pretty simple, but really effective, really clever, and also maybe even really obvious, but there's a concept behind each one. Let's look at another example. Here we've got a little bit like a story in each one, right? So we've got this balance idea where the word is actually on a balance beam. We've got the word variety that's written in a variety of different styles. We've got a pattern with a variety of patterns. We've got rhythm with an actual kind of pattern here to the rhythm. And that's what it means to this person. So I encourage you to think about concepts when you're looking around at logos, when you're looking at billboards, when you're watching TVs and looking at commercials, and think about logo concepts, how they're using typography in the concept, and looking at posters, anything that's printed, and thinking about how they're using type just in the overall layout, in the headers, things like that. So that's what I mean by a concept. It's one of the biggest rules in design is to have a concept. So your type is a big part of that. I encourage you to really take to heart all the reading you're doing this week and start to be aware around you, just start observing around you different ways typography is used. Good luck with your project and let me know if you have any questions.